fabulous four-fingered freak here. And as you can see today, it's a beautiful, cold winter day here. That's right. Check it out. As you can see today, it's minus 22 degrees Celsius. For all of my American fans, that means a crazy minus 8 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, minus 8. And the freak is gonna try this ice cold liquid death right here, right now, for you guys. And that's why the freak went out and bought a whole damn case of liquid death. Murder your thirst, baby. Now, for all of you out there who haven't seen their crazy ass ads, check this out.
Sourced and bottled in majestic mountains, liquid death mountain water will murder your thirst.
Now I'll pour it liquid death.
Isn't that awesome? That's right. So I'm gonna crack this case open, take a can, taste test it, just for all of you guys. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, check it out, guys. Liquid death. Sparkling water, murder your thirst. Now, this can has been in the fridge. It's cold. Like I said, it's minus 8 Fahrenheit here. Ooh, baby. The freak's hands are getting numb. So, without further ado, let's go, baby. All right, so first impression. Liquid death. Sparkling water. Tastes like sparkling water. You know what's awesome about this product, though? Obviously, the cans are recyclable, unlike those plastic bottles, which, as you all know, pollute our environment. And that's why I personally recommend liquid death over any other plastic bottled water. Plus, the burp factor is crazy, as you can hear. Ooh, yeah. My hands are getting numb, just like my brain. Liquid death. Highly recommended. Fabulous four-fingered freak approved. Liquid death. Death to plastic. And don't forget, guys, they donate 10% of the profits from every can sold to help kill plastic pollution. And that is awesome. Now, go out there, buy it, and I will see ya, baby.